To add expense, please click on the New tab from the top menu. Then click on Expense, or you can click on the Expense tab from the sidebar. Then click on the New transaction and select Expense. Fill in your expense information like supplier, expense date, payment method. To add expense details, click on Add Item. After adding a new expense row, now you can select what is the type of expense. It can be salary for wages, utilities, etc. After selecting your expense type, now you can add description and amount of expense. And click on Save button. After saving your expense, you will have options to print, send or cancel this expense from these buttons. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the latest upcoming videos.